What is the meaning of the word splash as a noun? The sound like water splashing. A patch of bright color. The act of scattering water about haphazardly. Examples of use. Her red hat gave her outfit a splash of color. As a verb. Mark or overlay with patches of contrasting color or texture. Cause to appear splashed or spattered. Make a splashing sound. Soil or stain with a splashed liquid. Strike and dash about in a liquid. Examples of use. The mountain was splashed with snow. Water was splashing on the floor. The boys splashed around in the pool. Splash is spelled S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash.